ASSA Desmo, 8 sliders, 4 left, 4 right, 2 picks, custom picks that all of 5 minutes making. They're ugly, but they do the job. And they have prongs at the end. Used a V-shaped file, cut those guys in. And then since the top of the keyway there is a little bit thicker than the normal, I went the Naswick method, hit it with some side cutters, splay out the edges a little bit, make it a little bit wider. So it's got some pretty good stay in that keyway. Whenever I'm picking these, one thing I've noticed, actually let me reset these sliders. One thing I've noticed is the middle 2 binders in the direction that I'm tensioning are what bind first. I'm not sure how common that is, but I've picked a couple of them and they all seem to do that. When you're looking for a binder, you're looking for any pin that doesn't want to move. This pick specifically, the V shape isn't deep enough and it's more open, so it likes to fall off the sliders. Should make a new one, but it does the job well enough. So back to what I was saying about these. Sliders, when you're looking for a binder, when it's binding in a false gate, it's like a rock. It doesn't want to move at all. But when it's in a true gate, you have quite a bit of movement. I mean, as far as this lock is concerned. So now, I'll go to this middle one if I can get on this slider here. That one sits high. Something dropped because that one's not binding. There we go. Reset it. Now, I've had a couple that I've given away. If it doesn't have the key with it, what you can do is you can cut off this shoulder here, because normally you wouldn't be able to pull that little clip off, but for progressive pinning and stuff like that. Now when you're pulling out, finger on the sidebars, 1 sidebar, 2 sidebars. Grab the springs and key retention, doodads. Now you can see these sidebars over here. You can see the true gates and the false gates.